Hi, my friends. Nice to see you here. This is Chiglish Studio. I'm your friend Xinyuan. And now we are going to talk about 润语 Actually, I want to tell you a joke. So in one day, big rain. People running on the street, and they find one man still walking slowly and do not in a hurry, and some guys wondered, "Hey, man, why are you walk slowly, so slowly?" The man replied, "Why in hurry? You run ahead. The rain is waiting you ahead. So why don't you just enjoy this rain?" I think it's a good attitude. Yes, why in hurry? And last week I worked so busy to fulfill the deadline, to fulfill the project time requirement. And as we planned in last week, the factory will need to use our part, use our project by tomorrow. But today they told me today they will not use our project because the other apartment do not catch the deadline, so they need to wait for them. So why in hurry? Maybe I can go home at weekend. Why in hurry? But though they don't use those part will not use our project. They will use a different part to utilize our project. So we still need to finish the job today, and we did. So far it's good. I think it's good. So. Oh, what are we talking about? Right. Why in hurry? Yes, why in hurry? Wish you guys have a good day. Time to sleep.